Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why the Crusades started. The initial spark for these monumental expeditions was a complex mix of religious devotion and geopolitical strategy. Many Europeans felt a deep spiritual calling to reclaim holy sites. Simultaneously, the Byzantine Empire faced external threats and urgently requested military assistance from Western powers. Reclaiming control of Jerusalem, a city sacred to multiple faiths, became a central and unifying goal for many participants. Beyond the immediate religious and political calls, several underlying factors fueled the Crusades. The papacy saw an opportunity to assert its authority and unite the often divided Western Christian world under a common cause. For many nobles and knights, the Crusades offered a chance for land, wealth, and adventure, providing new opportunities for status and power. Merchants also envisioned expanding their trade routes and accessing lucrative new markets in the East. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful and informative, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps us create more content. On another note, speaking of preparing for big endeavors or just your week, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. The pivotal moment arrived with Pope Urban Roman II's impassioned speech at the Council of Clermont. In 1095, he urged Christians to embark on a holy war, promising spiritual benefits, including the remission of sins, to those who participated. His powerful message resonated deeply across all social strata in Europe, igniting widespread enthusiasm. This call to arms effectively mobilized thousands, setting the stage for the First Crusade and subsequent expeditions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.